YouTube. Gonna do a quick video today. Turn your basic steel drum into a burn barrel. My current burn bin is more rusted garbage than anything. But anyway, how to get a new barrel. So, a couple ways you can do it. If you work someplace that has barrels, you could procure one. Facebook, you see them on there all the time. I didn't want to deal with that right now. So, our local Rural King has these, they call them trash barrels. They don't have a top on them. $21. And the one thing you want to make sure about your barrel is it didn't have anything toxic in it, especially if you're going to be using it on. This had coconut oil in it, so we're good. But all we're going to do is drill some holes on the bottom and a couple places on the sides for air to go through. And I don't recommend cooking on them, but I have. Just make sure you burn it real good beforehand, get all the paint off and whatever is inside out. I've cooked over my wood furnace, wood stove, homemade wood stove, which is a semi-tire and wheel drum, or a semi-wheel and wheel brake drum. Just burn the paint off of it, burn the brake dust and everything out of it, and you'll be good to go. So I got a drill with a bit, stepper bit, and we're gonna, I think it's a garbage stepper bit, but we'll start drilling holes. I think I'll drill 4 holes on the bottom somewhere, just for drainage reasons. This other one, it's not, I have a new one in somewhere. We'll have to go with some normal drill bits. Alright, there's one through. Yep, and that second one's the burnt out one there. I'll fix this once I... Which one shall we use? The barrel's not that thick. It's probably a little too thick to be using the stepper bits, but yeah. Screw it. Put that back in the toolbox. Called the Blazer. So, lube it up. Alright. Like butter. I'll do 3 more. Or 2 more. Neighbor being nosy. Alright, we'll find a seam. Is there a seam? Not that I can see one on the outside. So, I'm gonna do the same thing, just on the sides at the very bottom. Or do 4 on the very bottom, and then we'll go up halfway. You get the idea. I'm going to do 4 holes on the bottom, and then I don't know, about halfway up this first ring, do some more, then some more up here. Because I don't think I'm going to fill up more than halfway with ash and one time. Okay, now as you can see, I got my second row staggered, 8 holes all the way around. I'm going to put 4 X's on the bottom with the angle grinder, and then maybe 4 more up top. I don't know. We'll start with the bottom, and I'll adjust it if I need to. I do not want to put one right on the seam, so I should probably close this. I'll just cut towards the neighbor's house. Alrighty. Helps if you have a battery. Losing it, people. What little of it I had left, I'm losing it. Okie dokie. There's our 4 X's. Here comes the school bus. But 4 X's on that bottom ring and 16 holes. There should be enough airflow for what I'm doing with it. As it gets more full, we might have to add some more, but for now that'll be good. So I'll get some video of it in action later, because I'm waiting on a phone call. I might have to go somewhere, but a couple hours, I won't have to worry about that anymore, and I'll light her up. Alrighty, so I've got her burning, obviously. Don't want to get you too close, don't want to hurt the camera, but you might be able to see some flames coming out of there. Definitely see some smoke. And down at the bottom, you can see the paint starting to burn off of it. So we'll just cook her. It'll take a lot of heat, especially up top, for it to burn all the paint off of, but it's working great right now. I don't know, I'm thinking I'm going to add more X's. At the very least, I'm going to stagger them around the second ring here. But I might do more at the bottom, I don't know. Yeah, you should get that now. But yeah, so all I've been doing is we have a bunch of trees in our yard, picking up branches and throwing them in there. A couple logs, but just to get rid of some yard waste is all, pretty much. One of the things that everyone says you should do is put a screen over top when you're to safely burn and have it more than 30 feet away from anything flammable. Obviously, I did not do either of those, but do that at your own risk. So, we have a functional burn barrel. Sorry for the wind, but pretty easy to do it. Make sure you're allowed to burn where you live. Our fires have to be contained in a barrel or a fireplace, fire ring. We're allowed to, technically we're allowed to burn besides recreational fires like a little bonfire, Wednesdays and Saturdays 10 till 5, I believe, from beginning of November through end of March, if my memory serves correctly. It's kind of stupid. I burn whenever I want to. I haven't had the cops called on me, but so yeah. But that's how you make a burn barrel right quick and use it and season it up. That's what we're doing as we speak. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more. You can follow me social media, K30Crazy, on both Facebook and Instagram. And as I end all my videos, stay crazy and have a good one, people.